Hello all, I'm Arsha Bhagat, a student of MES Garware College of Commerce, and I welcome all of you to this exciting interview organized by MES Garware College of Commerce. So for today's interview, I would like to introduce Abhishek Rokade sir. He is the faculty for digital marketing and an alumni of GCC. Sir's major expertise are in digital marketing and business analytics, with almost 4 plus years of industrial experience and 1 plus year of teaching experience. Sir uses his creative ideas and thoughts, which makes the concepts very easy and useful to understand. With his words of wisdom and dedication, Sir inspires and motivates students to strive for success. So we welcome you, Abhishek Rukde, sir, to this interview.
Thank you, Arsha. Thanks a lot.
Sir, what was your experience at Garware as a student in comparison to as a faculty?
So it's a good question. When I was a student, I was a very notorious student, no responsibilities and everything. But when I was a second year, I got some responsibilities like to be the team leader, where I was given the youth has and everything. So I just got some responsibilities, and from that time I came to know that be in a management, because right now BBA is under the BI management, as you told in my intro. So at that time I just came to know that we are in management, and my management should be good. So I decided that I should work more on my management. So I started working on that. Faculties gave some responsibilities, which I what will say, took. I worked for it. I worked hard for it, and got the responsibilities. With that, as you told right now, professor. So the same responsibility that teachers gave me is the same responsibilities. But here I'm having a responsibility of working with the students. There I was working with the professors, teachers, and faculties. Right now I'm working with students. It's a totally different behavior, I would say, but it's a good behavior. Sorry, good. What will say responsibilities.
So, what inspired you to be a faculty at Garware College?
See, honestly speaking, when I was working in industries, it was not my any what plans to work as a faculty, but got some good opportunities by Sandeep Rathod sir. Sir gave me an opportunity to work with Garware College to be the professor. Where outside I was taking classes of digital marketing. So sir told me that why don't you take there, come in on college. So I started working there. So after that I took classes here. Inspiration, if you told that, no inspiration I was having, means I don't have any plan of being a teacher. For that reason, I was totally down to it. But still, what do you say? Got some responsibility. I told in the first question, got some responsibilities. So I took it, and I'm working in a great, what do you say, environment.
So, please can you share a memorable experience of your time as a student at Garware to now as a faculty which shaped your academic or professional journey?
Okay, so I'm having very much memories. But one memory that I would say that few years back, in the year 2018-19, I have gone to visit to Sambhajinagar. At that time, it was Aurangabad. And after few years, right now, last year, I went as a faculty. Both the responsibilities was totally different. Means जब हम गए थे वहाँ पर तो इंजॉय करने के मूड में था, मतलब क्लासमेट्स सब थे, तो इंजॉय करते गए. कुछ फैकल्टी के साथ थोड़े झगड़े भी किए हमने, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, उल्टे भी बात की उनके साथ. बट स्टिल वो टाइम पे बुरा लगा कि ना यार हमने कुछ गलती की. वी अपोलोजाइज टू दैट, इन मतलब सर के साथ हमने सॉरी बोला, सर को सब किया. आफ्टर सम इयर्स, आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स, जब मैं लास्ट टाइम गया था, तब मुझे पता चला कि एक टीचर के पास क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि अगर एक बैच को लेके जा रहा हो, वी आर हैविंग अ बैच ऑफ 100 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स, हमको आपको हैंडल करना है. सो वो कैसा होता है, वो टाइम पे पता नहीं चला, लेकिन अभी पता चला. तो उसके बाद मैंने सबसे पहले ट्रिप से आने के बाद सबसे जो भी टीचर्स वो टाइम पे थे, सबसे मैंने उनको सॉरी बोला कि मैम लिटरली मतलब पता नहीं था ना, आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग कि वो टाइम पे क्या और अभी क्या कंडीशन है. बट स्टिल मैंने उनको थैंक यू बोला कि सर मैम आपकी वजह से हम पंक्चुअल हुए, आपकी वजह से हमको टाइम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आई. और क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट यू से दैट, उसको एक वर्ड बोलते हैं कि प्रोफेशनलिज्म आई.
So, what advice will you give to students as the alumni of a college?
Well, I'm not that much big to give advice to students, but I would say one thing that your teachers are here to nurture you. Means वो आपके फ्यूचर ग्रोथ के लिए आपको यूजफुल है. वो आपके लिए आपकी स्किल्स देखते हैं, आपके डेवलपमेंट देखते हैं, विच विल हेल्प यू टू शेप योर करियर. मतलब वो जो काम देते हैं वो आपके यूजफुलनेस के लिए देते हैं. सो यू शुड लिसन टू योर टीचर्स, फॉलो देयर पाथ, एंड यू विल गेट सक्सेस इन लाइफ.
On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce, Autonomous Pune, I would like to thank you, Abhishek sir. It was indeed a great pleasure to have you on board today. I'm sure that all of your insights will be very much helpful to all the viewers.
Thank you, Arisha. It was a great pleasure for me that you have invited me for this session.
So guys, how did you find today's interview? I'm sure you would love Abhishek sir's lectures as well. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with new videos soon. Thank you so much.